What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? It's been a bit of a while since I made my last video. To every one of you guys that watched my VChain, my Solana, my AVAX call, big congratulations if you took those trades down there where I called them. All these coins actually went up quite wild. All of them made more than 100%. So if you took those trades or you invested, congrats, guys. Today I'm back. I want to bring you real value today. I want to show you something that actually will potentially shock you or actually give you a very nice indication of what the market is going to do next. So let me jump right in. In 2014, 2015, Bitcoin had its first bear market and we set a double bottom here, okay? What happened then is that we left, let's say, the bottom area behind. We pushed up and we created a consolidation phase. This consolidation phase includes one massive W, and then actually it breaks out of it. Okay, it breaks out, but before the market then starts to really rip, starts to really go higher, we once come and we exactly confirm the old market structure, which is a massive W. Okay, so it pushes out of here and comes to confirm. Remember this circle. What happens then is the parabolic phase starts and you don't really have that huge of a correction anymore, or at least not into some of those levels, let's call it like this. Looking at 2018, 17, however you want to say, what we did is we actually had our bottom area right here, okay? And then we formed our massive W here, okay? It looked a bit different. Obviously, you had your COVID dump right there. Without the COVID dump, eventually would have not went so low. So essentially what then happened is that we broke out like we did here. We broke out and we came back exactly to test the exact area of the previous market structure here. Okay, and once that has been done, guess what? You have this parabolic phase starting and the bull market actually really hitting. So let me show you what we have right now, and I think you can already see by yourself what I think and what I would almost claim, because we were very much almost every time right here, and that's why we make quite some nice money here in this market. That's why I'm saying this is gonna happen next. I'm just gonna arrogantly claim now that Bitcoin is gonna do this next. Okay, so what happened? We have our bear market bottom, in my opinion, something like a triple bottom, however you want to call it. We could make the case this is something like an inverse head and shoulders, or something like that, guys. It's not really, I'm not really too worried about what kind of pattern, but it was definitely a very nice bottom structure forming here, double bottom, triple bottom, however we want to call it, and you actually broke out of it. All right, you built market structure on top of your bottom here, and now you have your huge W. The huge W was built and we broke out of it. The only thing that is missing, like in the two past prior cycles, is the exact drop down to this market structure to then go higher. It looks unlikely because it's already quite far away, but it has been, and now let me show you guys, it has been around 65% above market structure, then came down to correct back then, and now it is around, let me show you how much it is up of the market structure here. This time is around 43. So we had already back then, we had more way to go down. Okay, here was a bit less. But what I'm essentially saying here, okay, guys, is that Bitcoin, either from where it is right now, saying from here, or in my opinion, around this level here at 48,000, something like this, Bitcoin is going to see the pullback that will shock everyone and is going to push down to this prior market structure, which is this massive W. Okay, this needs to be confirmed, and then for me it's all good. We are able to rip, we are able to go higher, we are able to go on our parabolic bull run, bull market, you know, whatever you want to call it. But this move, guys, has to happen. Okay, it really has to happen because the market structure needs to be confirmed. In my opinion, this moment is the moment to wait or to short, actually. So what I did is I went over to BitGet today and I put in a little short position around the area of 45,600, which jumping into the smaller time frames, guys, you can see that the area that I shorted is actually the area around here. So I took a nice short today, but I also took some profits. As you can see, I closed out like around $400. Why? Because I do think that the market might eventually push back up. Okay, push back up a little bit here, and either, as I said, either puts in a new low around 48k or comes back to retrace. So what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is I measure the fibs from the top of today to the bottom, okay? And I have my area where I put in my short, or like, let's say, increase my short because I'm already short, right? So I take a rectangle here and I put it between these three levels. I always like to go into my trades between the 05, 0618 or 786. Exactly these three levels. So when price is going up here, guys, the best thing you can do is definitely try to put in a short position here. Have your stops, let's say, eventually slightly, maybe 1%, maybe 0.5% or something like that, above these areas here. So you are essentially risking, I don't know, 1 or 2% max, all right? Don't over leverage anyway. But in my opinion, this here could be a massive, beautiful short position, bringing Bitcoin down. And now imagine, guys, this is what nobody expects. Bringing Bitcoin down, obviously nothing goes down in a straight line, but bringing Bitcoin down here, boom, to these areas, down there at 32,000, 31,700, something like this, 32,000, guys. This is my call, $32,000 for Bitcoin. Everybody's shocked. Everybody's gonna scream again, Bitcoin is in a bear market, Bitcoin is dead. And this is where we're gonna go long, big times, guys. Okay, and this is where you can safely say, all right, market structure has been confirmed. Now it's time to rip. Now it's time to go up big times. Okay, so wait or short, all right, play safe, take your risk. This is the call, and I will upload videos on which long positions I'm planning to take once the market has corrected. I'm just gonna pull up one of my favorite coins, Sol. By the way, this was our call down here. So congrats if you took that. It was a 400% trade. You could literally 4x your whole net worth if you took that trade. So congrats if you did so. And now basically, let me say something. For Sol, what I expect is, for example, just so you get a perspective, all right, if Bitcoin is gonna go to 32,000, I say that Sol is gonna come back something like 70, 60, 60, something like this. All right, so also altcoins will likely confirm their previous market structure. Either they're gonna do it here, all right, or here, or in a worst case scenario, I would say Sol goes again to $38. But something like this is what I see realistic. If we want to pull the fibs, all right, from this move to this move, let's see where we have some nice retracement areas. And yeah, guess what? 0.618 is around $53, 0.567. So I think this is the area. Worst case, it could even go down here, but I don't think it happens. It has too much buying pressure. But guys, imagine if you catch longs down here, if you catch them, you wait patiently, you have some capital ready, and you catch longs here, and then the market rips, then by God, you're legend. And I thank you for listening. I thank you for appreciating the content. If you want to trade as I do on BitGet, I have my affiliate link from now on down below. I love the platform. It's an amazing platform. And yeah, basically that is pretty much it. So thank you very much, and I wish you a beautiful day, guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.